Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Cinderella and Dress to Impress without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. And choose all these hairstyles and you're going to color it with this color for all these selection, and put on this earring, make it this color, and this necklace, make it this color and also this color, and then this necklace, make it black, and this item, make it this color and change the material to glitter, and then put on this heels, make it this color for all the selection. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to put on this corset, and for the corset I'm going to I clicked the item I don't want to put on. Okay, for this corset you can color it with this color, and then again you're going to make it glitter. Okay, and then I'm going to combine it with this corset. We're going to make it the same blue color, and then again I'll change the material to glitter. Done guys, and then I'm going to put on the sleeves. Go back to this location and put on the sleeves and make it this blue color, and then again make it glitter. Okay, and we're going to go to the world culture clothing area and put on this skirt and this one as well, and make it blue and change the material to glitter. Done for this one, and combine it with this dress. Choose skirt only and apply the same blue color I have applied before for the first selection until the second selection, and then you're going to change the material to glitter. And the next one, we're gonna go to the changing room, but before it guys, I'm going to put on the gloves, remove the fur, and you're going to color it with this color. Oops, not this one but this one, and make it glitter. Alright, and let's go to the changing room, and then you're going to go to this menu, put on the skirt, and you're going to color it with this color for the first selection, and the second selection make it this color, and this color for the third selection, and change the material to glitter. Okay guys, and that's all the way to recreate Cinderella and Dress to Impress without VIP. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!